We're at 101 North Marion in Oak Park. We got Jason here. And we have a really awesome old Reliance elevator. Look at that old security camera. Reliance. Three-door a little bit. Now look at this awesome old cab. This look at that. Awesome. Look at these fixtures. 1,250 pounds. Force locked.
Open the door again.
Oh.
It's a weird thing it does.
Hello,
Should go
Jason.
this time.
You want to come ride with me?
I'll wait here.
Oh, okay.
It's slow.
Whoa. There's downtown Oak Park. I love this stone around the elevator. And the elevator's already going somewhere. Yep, button's burnt out, but look. Listen to it hit those switches. Anyway, we'll restart when the elevator comes back. All right. There it is. Pre-ordered again a little bit. I love this cab. You can see really what all they did is they just painted this section and this section a different color and then put this little trim to separate. I don't know why they have a rubber band here. Let's see, here's your certificate. Look at these fixtures, so neat. Did you call it back?
Yeah, I thought you were coming right back down, so I want to picture the button lit up.
Anyway, that will go.